Have you ever wondered how insurance companies or lawyers put a dollar figure on something as intangible as pain and suffering after an injury? It can feel like a mystery, but there's actually a common approach many use to estimate these very personal losses. The multiplier method is a widely used approach to estimate non-economic damages in personal injury cases. These damages, often called general damages, compensate an injured person for subjective, non-monetary losses such as physical pain and suffering, emotional distress, mental anguish, loss of enjoyment of life, and inconvenience resulting from an injury. It provides a structured way to convert these subjective experiences into a monetary value for settlement discussions. The core idea behind the multiplier method is that the more severe and long-lasting your injuries and their impact, the higher the non-economic damages should be. It works by taking your total economic damages, which include things like medical bills and lost wages, and multiplying that total by a specific number, known as the multiplier. This multiplier typically ranges from 1.5 to 5, or even higher, depending on the circumstances of your case. The reason this method exists is to provide a starting point for negotiations and to acknowledge the profound impact an injury can have beyond just your bills. Factors influencing the multiplier include the severity of the injury, whether it is temporary or permanent, the extent of medical treatment required, the duration of recovery, and the impact on your daily life, work, and personal relationships. A broken arm that heals completely might warrant a lower multiplier than a permanent spinal cord injury, for example. To apply this method, you would first calculate all your economic damages, which are the verifiable financial losses. This includes your past and future medical expenses, lost income, property damage, and out-of-pocket costs related to your injury. Once you have this sum, you then select an appropriate multiplier based on the severity and impact of your non-economic losses. For instance, if your economic damages total $10,000 and a multiplier of 3 is deemed appropriate, your estimated non-economic damages would be $30,000. It is important to remember that the multiplier method is a tool for estimation, not a precise formula. Insurance adjusters and personal injury attorneys often use it as a basis for negotiation. The final settlement amount will depend on many factors, including the strength of your evidence, the specifics of the jurisdiction, the insurance policy limits, and the skill of the attorneys involved in the negotiation process. Understanding this method helps you comprehend how initial offers are often calculated, giving you a clearer picture of what your claim might be worth. Ultimately, the multiplier method serves as a crucial starting point for valuing the less tangible but equally significant losses you might experience after an injury. By linking your financial burdens to your personal suffering, it helps create a comprehensive picture of your claim's total value, providing a framework to seek fair compensation for your entire experience, not just your receipts.